You're watching a video. It's getting good. Then boom, the app just dies. That pop-up shows up. YouTube keeps stopping. And you're sitting there like, what just happened? You didn't do anything wrong. But it keeps happening. Over and over. And honestly, it's one of the most annoying tech issues people deal with right now. Here's the thing nobody tells you. This crash isn't random. It's almost always caused by one of three things. A bad app update, a bloated cache, or your phone's memory being completely maxed out. YouTube pushes updates constantly. Sometimes those updates are buggy, and your phone just can't handle it cleanly. The first thing you should try, clear your cache. Go to Settings. Find Apps. Find YouTube. Hit Clear Cache. Not clear data. Just the cache first. This takes 30 seconds. It fixes the issue for a lot of people immediately. It's basically just wiping out the junk that's been building up in the background. Still crashing? Try this. Uninstall the YouTube app update. Not the whole app, just the update. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, then tap Uninstall Updates. This rolls it back to the factory version. Then reinstall it fresh from the Play Store. A lot of the time, one bad update is the whole problem. Now if that still doesn't work, check your storage. Seriously. If your phone is running on less than a gig of free space, apps start behaving weird. YouTube needs room to breathe. Delete old photos. Clear out apps you haven't touched in months. Give your phone some actual space to work with. Okay, so here at InvestEdgeHQ we talk about making your time count. And if you're using YouTube to learn, to grow, to build something, a broken app is literally blocking that. So if nothing's worked yet, try the nuclear option. Full phone restart. Then reinstall YouTube completely fresh. It feels dramatic. But it works almost every single time. To stop this happening again, keep your apps updated regularly. Don't let updates stack up for weeks. And every month, just clear your YouTube cache. Takes 10 seconds. That's it. Most people never do this and then wonder why everything feels slow and glitchy. Small habit. Big difference. If this helped you out, smash that like button. It seriously helps more than you know. Subscribe if you want more fixes, money tips, and real talk about building income on your own terms. Drop a comment below, tell me which fix actually worked for you. I read every single one.